What is up? It's your boy Gears. Gears the Snore. Bringing you that content that's guaranteed to put you to sleep. Oh yeah! Today me and Ray are headed to the airport pub in Sussex. We're gonna get a little libation. And a little overcast, but it's supposed to clear up. Captain Insano here, itching to step on his brakes every 2 seconds. Oh, I have my stock seat back on the bike, not the Sundowner Low. I bought a Corbin, and give you some thoughts on the Corbin. I had it on for a 200-300 mile ride. Fantastic looking seat, great build quality, holds you in place, a very good product. Unfortunately for me, I have a big bony ass, and the seat pan comes up the sides of the seat, and I felt myself sitting on the pan rather, and it got uncomfortable. So it's for sale if anybody wants it. $300, it's yours. Yeah, I'm not sending it back. They didn't do anything wrong. Why should they have to give me my money back? They don't know how I'm built. I didn't know that was going to happen. Not Corbin's fault. Fantastic seat. Didn't have to wait a long time. I can't say enough good things about it. And I don't know. I got the low seat, so the mid or high might be different pan or whatnot. So if you're thinking about it, give them a shot, man. It was a really nice seat. It's just sad it didn't work out. But I will bring you back as we get closer to where we're going, because it's going to be windy on Route 80. And we're back. I seem to say that a lot, don't I? On the lovely Route 23. I've got Ray with me. And I don't know if I said it before, but I probably did. I have no short term. We are headed to the airport pub. Hoping to see some people skydiving today. Oh, poor fella. If you like my videos, be sure to give it the thumbs up or leave a comment. I appreciate it. So how's you guys' summer going? I think it's rare, but we got 2 good days on a weekend. No rain. That's all it's friggin' doing here in the Jersey. Absolutely love it up here. I have the camera in linear today. I'm curious to see what it looks like. Hoping it's good and I can leave it. We'll find out. I have a new intro for my videos I'm using. You're gonna see it changes a couple of times. Yeah, I couldn't find anything I like. I try to change it like every year. For me, if things get routine, it gets boring, and I don't want that to happen with my videos. Seems to be an ongoing theme today of trucks pulling out in front of us and going slow. Big Sheila was bred for the open road. You don't get a big girl like this that wants to stand up and scream and shout and spread her freedom to be stuck going 44 behind a pickup truck. What a friggin' great day this turned out to be. It was cloudy this morning. It rained a little bit, nothing much, but man, temperatures are high 70s. You couldn't ask for a nicer day. Yeah, I'm hoping we catch some skydivers. First time I come up here, I caught skydivers. My audio didn't work. And I came up again and nobody was skydiving. So fingers crossed, they're skydiving. And if you like no, I'm just kidding. I don't fly. And I think my dad said it best. My dad's a vet. I'm not jumping out of it. He said to me, he goes, I'm not jumping out of an airplane unless somebody's shooting at my ass. I said, oh, I'm right with you there, pal. Ooh. Whew. Stinks. Now I could ride up and ride 23 in, but you know what? This road here, and I've been down this before, it's a nicer ride. And then we don't have to cross over solid yellow line. I'm hesitant somebody's gonna creep up behind me and knock me down. This is a nice ride. You come up 23, you can take this street, which I forgot the name of, or you can literally just ride 23, and then you're gonna get to a point in Sussex where you have to stay right to go on 23. Stay straight, and that'll bring you right to the airport pub. But I like going this way. It's a nice road. I'll put the name in the video. Man, you ride down some of these roads and you're like, if you didn't have motorcyclists in mind, it's really like a weird coincidence to just have fantastic riding. It could just be the luck of the draw, who knows? Trying to get out of the habit of staying too close to that line. I had somebody come over and almost whack me a couple of weeks ago, scared the living hell out of me. I had to pull over and check my pants. This dude was so close, I could feel the wind brushing me over. One street sign. Oh my God. Killing me. All right, we're headed down to 565. Of course, Mister, I'm not going to drive anywhere near the speed limit is too. You are pissing Sheila off. Definitely happy with this Vance and Hines muffler, man. It's got a nice tone to it. Motorcycle place over here, the Village Smith. Apparently it's motorcycles and a blacksmith. That's freaking cool. Oh, windy, man. Almost there. Are you excited, kids? I know I am. This is 639 we just turned onto. like literally a second off the turn here. We're just leaving the airport pub. I think the ongoing joke is I'm not going to catch anybody skydiving. Nice ride, turned out to be a beautiful day. The line in Kugel, summer shandy, was cold. We had chicken fingers. Perfect. Made it this far, I thank you for watching. Drop my videos 3 p.m.-ish every Friday. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.